How to write a thesis. Step-by-step guide for beginners. From initial pages to references. Initial pages of thesis, which includes cover page, copyright page, dedication page, acknowledgements, abstract, list of tables, list of figures, list of abbreviations, table of contents. Chapter 1 is Introduction, which includes background of study, problem statement, research questions, research objectives, significance of study, operational definitions, and structure of study. Chapter 2 is Literature Review, which includes Introduction, Literature Review on national and global level literature, gap, theoretical review, theories if any, theoretical framework and hypothesis development. Conceptual framework, optional. Conclusions and summary, table of literature review or literature review matrix. Chapter 3 is Research Methodology, which includes Introduction, population size, sample size, sampling technique, research design, research software, inclusion and exclusion criteria, if any, variables, definitions and their measurements, research methodology, econometric model, if any, and data collection procedure. Chapter 4 is Data Analysis and Discussions, which includes descriptive analysis, graphical analysis, parentage and frequency analysis, if any, correlation analysis, reliability analysis, if any, and empirical analysis, which includes numerous tests and analysis which will varies for time series and panel data analysis. It is important tip for reliability analysis which we will use in those research in which our focus in on primary data like data collected through questionnaires. If your research is mixed research, then we will also use reliability analysis. Chapter 5 is Conclusions and Recommendations, which includes conclusions, recommendations, findings, directions for future research, and theoretical and practical contribution. End part, which includes references, appendix, questionnaires, if any, graphs or images, if any, and glossary, if any, are given. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.